4th June 2021, the Indian Express opinion titled, "Will the coronavirus birth a new politics?" A virus is like a Mahamaya, a great mystery. It is very difficult to figure out its form and predict its impact accurately. The coronavirus has produced a disastrous and far-reaching impact on human society and democratic politics not only in India but all over the world. It has already reshaped the political discourse in various countries. It is sure to bring about a shift in the political narrative in India as well. This new narrative is developing around the existential worries and anxieties of people, particularly concerns related to public health, healthcare facilities, and infrastructure. The distribution of resources such as medicines, vaccines, availability of hospital beds, treatment facilities, the new essentials such as oxygen masks are emerging as influential factors in the domain of politics and state power. Call it the politics of medicalization, this is going to determine the future of electoral democracies and test the popularity of politicians in power and opposition. The meaning of development in India is likely to change in the coming days. Instead of Bijli, Sadak and Pani, as well as highways, malls and cash transfers, the safety and well-being of the biological body is likely to take center stage in our developmental discourse. The panic and fear of losing one's life to a rapidly mutating coronavirus are going to influence the mobilizational strategies of political parties in the coming days. The politics of social justice and people's rights may have to be reframed around issues concerning the protection of human life. Issues such as distribution of free rations, financial support to the poor as a political gift may yield ground to healthcare issues for at least a few years. This shift in narrative is already finding echoes in conversations on social media and other public spaces. Protection from the virus has become the first and foremost desire of society. Proverbs such as "Jaan bache to lakho paaye" in some sense are going to determine our identity. The current fear of death, a fallout of the emergency situation created by the unpredictable virus, compels people to think differently from great saints such as Buddha, Kabir and Ravidas, who have reflected deeply on human life. This change in the understanding of the meaning of human existence could create conditions that would also force a shift in the political narrative, at least till the memory of COVID lasts. The virus is likely to diminish social identities derived from caste and religion until the health emergency recedes. So, the project of building a political narrative around social identities is likely to weaken in the immediate future. The bitter memory of the death of dear ones due to COVID-19 is likely to linger on in the political narrative even after the threat of the pandemic recedes. A new diction and vocabulary may emerge and get prominence in the framing political narrative of the country, particularly in northern India. Terms such as health, virus, oxygen, vaccine, mortality rate, medical resources, and planning could emerge as key words in electoral discourse and political campaigns. Seva of virus survivors and commitment to help people in distress may turn out to be important ingredients in the making of popular leaders. This shift may be temporary, but it is sure to shape Indian politics in the coming days.